Hey, hello everyone, good to see you all in this video. And in this video I'm going to do some operation. I'm guessing the charging port is not working perfectly, and also there is no transfer of power supply to the battery. Also I changed the battery. That was my previous video for this Nokia 6.1 plus legendary phone, I would say. Yes. So next thing, I'm going to open this phone and I need to change this daughter board. Also I ordered that one from Maxib, and you can see this is the daughter board, and here it will be in this area. This is the daughter board and it will be like this. Yeah, here it is, the type C port, and yeah, it will be like this. This is a speaker port or a speaker grill, whatever we can say that. And this I need to remove this 4 screws plus 1 5, and I can able to put this one here. Let's see what will be the result. Also we need to remove this area because the battery is connected over here, and need to disconnect the battery. Then need to disconnect this fingerprint cable for AC access. Then need to disconnect this main to subboard connector. Then we can able to remove this daughter board. Okay, done. Battery. Oh my god, this is the daughter board and it is having the problem in the charging port. If I have a power bank handy with me, then I can able to test it before before fixing the phone. mm. Let's get in. This is a network cable, need to remove it carefully. If not, there is no network up and down. Okay, this is the one, the culprit guy, is the new one. Okay, here it is, the new one, so I'm going to change that one. Because of the contact pin, it is getting jammed, and I'm going to put the screws. Okay, I can able to do a flip like this. Okay, if it is getting connected, then means my assemble is correct. Yeah, finally something is working and something is blinking. I don't know, it is getting disconnected. Why? Maybe because of the port is not getting fixed by screwing it. Maybe I'll screw it, and after that let's see. What is this? Okay, battery is completely down. Let's see. For the temporary fix, and this is the time to see the real truth. Okay, I think you can hear the click sound, and power bank is working. Let's wait for the change. Here it is blinking. It was showing low battery or no battery something, and now it is gone. But there is a movement in power bank, so power bank is working. Okay, mission passed. It's my Famika signing off. Mutual guys in my next video, hopefully. Peace.